Morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Friday, October 20th, 2017. If you want to follow us on Twitter, please go to CATEX TV. Well, we have been wondering why other risk bearers, reinsurers and insurers had not yet joined Hiscox in London, coming out overtly and saying that a rate increase is needed, and in fact predicting one. Well, finally, about 11 days or so after Hiscox indicated it was going for more stamp capacity at Lloyd's to take advantage of what it called the upcoming market turn. Finally, the number 3 reinsurer in the world, Ulrich Wallen's Hannover Re, came out saying that rate increases, substantial ones, are going to be needed. At an investor day meeting in Frankfurt yesterday, Ulrich Wallen, the CEO of Hannover, said that some rates, especially loss-affected Florida rates, loss-affected Florida natural catastrophe rates, should go up as much as 40 to 50%. Wallen also said that overall, he expects that the property and casualty rates are going to come back to 2015 levels, particularly in North America, where they've been affected by the losses from the hurricanes. He said worldwide rates will also go up. Wallen said that cedents are likely to readily agree to increases because they too are striving for rate increases themselves. Wallen went on to say that third quarter losses for the industry as a whole will likely lead to a return on equity of less than 5% for 2017. He noted that the facultative market plus the Lloyd's market has become much firmer in pricing over the last 3 months, and brokers and cedents are not pushing back as rates begin to creep up. He expects a much more favorable pricing environment in 2018, which is going to produce more profitability in the property and casualty sector. Swiss Re came out earlier, before Wallen, with third quarter pre-tax loss estimates from Harvey, Irma, and Maria, plus the 2 Mexican earthquakes, of $3.6 billion net of retrocession. The Mexican earthquake claims are expected to reach only about 175 million of that total, so the hurricanes are going to be producing about $3.4 billion of losses for Swiss Re. Swiss Re estimates that the overall market loss from the 3 hurricanes and the 2 earthquakes are going to come in at $95 billion, which is a little bit less than what others are estimating. David Cole, the CFO of Swiss Re, said that our company has very strong financials and is certainly prepared to help cedents through this difficult time. The preliminary loss estimates from only 8 California insurers as a result of the wildfires out there that damaged 7,000 structures and killed 42 people are coming in at $1.045 billion. This is just for 8 insurers so far. This is only the beginning, said the California Insurance Department. Moody's is estimating that the total insured loss in California is going to come to about $4.6 billion. The Federal Aviation Administration is going to propose at an international conference next week in Montreal that large personal electronic devices, such as computers and laptops, not be permitted to be included amongst checked baggage in the future. The FAA says that the lithium-ion batteries that are powering those devices can overheat, and if they're in near proximity to aerosol cans, which are also packed in passengers' luggage, the risk of a fire becomes quite real. The FAA has still not identified those rolling suitcases that are being advertised worldwide that also include lithium batteries built into them, so purchasers can recharge cell phones and electronic devices by directly plugging them into the suitcases. Those devices are likely to produce similar concerns by the FAA. The Swedish furniture manufacturer IKEA last year recalled several million dressers called the Malm dresser, M-A-L-M. These are low-cost dressers. They cost anywhere from $80 to $200. The dresser apparently had a potential to tip over. As of last year, some 3 children, mainly very young children, 1 and 2 years old, had been killed when the dressers tipped over and landed on them. IKEA paid out $50 million in a settlement to the families of the dead children. 65 million units, in fact, were sold over the past 13 years. IKEA immediately recalled them and offered correction kits that would allow the dresser to be bolted to the wall. Yesterday, apparently in California, the 8th child killed by a mom dresser was reported, a 2-year-old. IKEA once again reiterated that they had recalled the dressers. They can be returned. They can be people can get their money back, or they can get the repair kit that will help them bolt to the wall. But certainly it's a tragedy. The company extended their sincere condolences to the families of those affected. That's the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you Monday.